Hello friends, we are beginning a series of tutorials on high performance computer at IUAC. We will begin with how to log in. That is the very first step we have to do. So go to the Windows machine and then you can install a program called Putty, P-U-T-T-Y. That is the easiest. This is an SSH client. I am going to use it. So I just say param.rudra.iuac.res.in. So this is the param.rudra.iuac.res.in. When you are accessing from outside, the port has to be 4422. So just open that. After that, you get a putty screen and you can make the font bigger by adding the font size to bigger size. So you get a screen like this. See that actually. So once you get a screen like this, you can just log in using your login name, and there will be a captcha. Like we can always simply put in the captcha, then it will ask for a verification code just to check whether you are a genuine user or not. So the verification code is usually got from an app actually, which you can download from the net, which is called Authenticator. And you get a number on your authenticator, and you will have a password already given. So since I have an account, so I have just logged in. See, this is the most important screen. As soon as you log in, see, they say that available modules, module load, module unload, module list. That is what it says at the top. Doesn't matter. All these things we will explain module what module is. So now we have to simply know the first screen which says welcome to the cluster, and it is running Alma Linux. That is the Linux it is running. It is like a simple Linux machine. It looks like you get a dollar prompt, and so you can see that actually the details of the the details of the computer from the prompt. For example, suppose I want to see what version of Linux it is running, I can simply say this. So it says that it is running Alma Linux version 8.10. It's a very general operating system now, Alma Linux. And you are presently in which directory, you can say pwd. So now you can practice some commands like you are already in this directory. So if you say ls -l, it shows all the files. Green ones are executable files. You can see the permission of all the executable files are rwx. X is there on, that's why it is green. And if it is blue, then it is a directory. You can see that. And the other files are in black, and you know that if you want to change the permission of a file or something, for example, suppose you create a file called touch abcd. I created a file abcd. So ls -l, if you see abcd, it doesn't have an execute permission. It's a 110, 110, then again 110, then again 110. That means this owner group others. Owner permission is 1106. This again 6. then 100,664. By default, this is the permission. So you create a file. If you want to edit anything in this file, you can go to Nano also. Nano you can do. Then you can get into an editor. Otherwise, you can always go VI ABCD, and you can go into the VA